Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by choosing a whole chicken weighing 5 to 4 pounds for consistent results. Rinse lightly, then pat completely dry with paper towels. Moisture prevents browning. Rub 1 tablespoon kosher salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper under the skin and over the surface, plus 1 tablespoon olive oil. Stuff the cavity with a halved lemon and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Truss the legs with kitchen twine and tuck the wing tips under the back to promote even cooking and easier carving later. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F. Place the trussed chicken breast side up on a rack inside a roasting pan so air circulates under the bird and skin crisps evenly. Roast for about 55 to 65 minutes for a 5 to 4 pound chicken, checking the thickest part of the thigh with a meat thermometer. Target 165 degrees F internal temperature. If browning too fast, tent loosely with foil. Remove the chicken and rest uncovered for 15 minutes before carving to let juices redistribute. To finish, transfer the roasted chicken to a cutting board. Use a sharp knife to cut between the thigh and body to remove legs and thighs, then slice breast meat against the grain for tender pieces. For an easy pan sauce, pour off excess fat, set the roasting pan on medium heat, add 1 cup chicken stock and scrape brown bits, then stir in 2 tablespoons butter until glossy. Strain if desired, spoon pan juices over sliced chicken, and garnish with chopped parsley before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.